Hi everyone and welcome back to Big Tree channel. For those who are new to this channel, we welcome you to the Big Tree family. In today's video, we will be sharing with you a tried and tested tip to get quick relief from severe constipation. It's super easy yet extremely effective, and all you need is some cold pressed pure castor oil and warm water. Before we share the method to consume this mix, let's talk about a couple of very important things you should know beforehand. So make sure to be with us till the end of this video, as we will be also sharing a bonus tip at the end of this video. For those who don't know, castor oil is a stimulant laxative, which means that it causes your bowel to move more and eventually encourages the stool to pass through the intestine and get flushed out of your system. This bowel movement occurs anywhere between 2 to 6 hours, which is why it's recommended that you consume this mix first thing in the morning instead of taking it before going to bed. But if for some reason you're not able to take this in the daytime, then you can also try taking this oil with warm water or warm milk before going to bed. Now, who should avoid trying this solution? This quick fix is not recommended for pregnant women, anyone having rectal bleeding problems, and in case of young children, we strongly recommend you to consult with your pediatrician first before trying any such thing, because they might end up suggesting much safer and gentler solutions for your young ones. And for those having severe health conditions, it's better to consult with your doctor first before trying this out. Although this method or this home remedy is completely natural, we still want to make sure that you try this out consciously. Castor oil is a strong laxative, so this is only once in a while solution for quick relief from occasional constipation. So please keep in mind that one should not keep consuming this oil every single day or for a longer period of time, as they might end up facing some side effects such as dehydration, muscle weakness, loss of nutrients in your body, and so on. We recommend you to go all the way to the root cause of your constipation, especially when it's a chronic one, instead of simply relying on these short-term solutions. There could be multiple reasons for chronic constipation: your lifestyle, diet choices, sleeping schedule, lack of physical activities, strong medications, and so on. Try to fix these issues for long-term solutions. Alright, now let's talk about how to consume this mix. Take 1 glass of lukewarm water. Make sure it's warm enough for you to comfortably drink it. It should not be too cold and obviously not too hot. Now add 2 tablespoons of pure cold pressed castor oil and mix it properly with the water and drink this. It may end up tasting a bit funny, but just hang in there and drink it all down. Now wait for 15 minutes and drink another glass of lukewarm water. At this stage, if you can, and only if you can, then drink 1 more glass of water. Otherwise, you can just stop at the 2nd glass. We certainly don't want you to barf out everything. Now, just in case if you did not experience any bowel movement on the day you consume this mix, then you can repeat this step next day as well, but don't repeat it anymore after that. It's better to go to a doctor in such severe constipation cases. Once the bowel movement occurs, you may end up going to the washroom more than once, as the oil is flushing everything out from your system. This is normal and might as well make you feel a bit empty or weak from within. So we suggest that you keep yourself hydrated by frequent consumption of water. Some people also try this technique for occasional detox. So doing this once in 2 months is a good way to detox yourself. You can certainly go ahead and do your own research if in doubt, or if you're skeptical about trying this technique due to any reason. You can always consult your doctor as well. And now, as we promised, here's the bonus tip. Consuming fennel seeds on a daily basis may help in relieving chronic constipation, acid reflux, or any other kind of digestive problem. These seeds are easily available in grocery stores, especially in the Indian grocery stores. If you want us to make a video on this, then please comment below and let us know, as we are always happy to help you out. If you found this content valuable, then please support our work by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Stay happy, stay healthy, and take care.